guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jem. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. For today's video, I've decided to create this bold and sleek makeup look this Valentine's Day. I figured I haven't done any bold looks lately. Why not a Valentine's Day makeup look? So yes. So if you're bold and if you want to rock red lipstick this Valentine's Day, then this look is for you. But if you want something fresh and feminine and soft, I will link my previous Valentine's Day makeup tutorial for you guys. So yes, if you want to know how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. So that completes my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it to your friend as well. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!